everybody. How y'all beautiful people doing on Christmas Eve? Day 24. This is a countdown to Jenny's Countdown to Christmas box for Missouri Star Quilt Company. If that's Jenny. One more day left. One more day left. And I have to say, yeah, my husband was right. He got me a bunch of good stuff to use, so I'm glad you made us open it today. I'm sure he'll be happy to hear that. You win, you win. This is tore already. I didn't tear this, so it's torn in the packaging. It's all jacked up. But it'll be okay. So we only got 2 more days, this one and tomorrow, to watch Jenny. Look at all her stuff. Womp, womp, womp. So let's get to it. Let's see what we got today.
Good morning, everyone. It is December 24th,
Good night,
and that is
good
a
night.
special day to us Swedes. It is Christmas Eve. It's Christmas Eve for everyone, but for the Swedes, it is particularly special. And we say God Jul. God Jul is a greeting that we use in Swedish, so if you are Scandinavian, you will know what that means. I'm also wearing a gnome because there's no place like gnome for the holidays.
No place
And
like
let's see what our gift is for today. So let's
Love
take
the
a look in our
gnomes,
box.
the
We only have
gnomes.
2 left. It's very sparse in here.
Yes.
And it's day 24. Let me see what this
And
is.
she's got gnome earrings on.
All right, there we go. Oh, you guys are going to love this. Everybody needs a good book to read at Christmas time. And this is my daughter Hillary's newest book, and it's called The Haunting of Quilter Square. And so she loves writing these cute little mysteries about Hamilton and things that happen in here. I'm a sleuth in these books, and just so you know, they're not true. They're just made up fun, and it comes with a bookmark as well. This is a little bookmark, and it says, "Imagination is the greatest gift," with a picture of me. And on the back, it just reminds us that if you need to relax and recharge your creative batteries, you should read a good book or journal, bake some goodies, make a cup of tea, or create something new. It's just a time to slow down now that the holidays are over and read a good book. I love a good book during the holidays, and I hope you enjoy this one too. Merry Christmas and good Yule.
Well, I used to read books all the time. I read books. We actually got, and I have it right here, from the other one we got, and I started to read it and I didn't finish. But we got this one from, I don't know if it was 21. We got this one in that box. So now I have 2. And I really need to read them. It's just when you work on the computer all the time, it's hard to want to sit there and read. You want to do something kind of mindless, I feel like. But I do love a good book. And this is a thick one. This is a good thick book. This is 304 pages worth. Oh, look on the back. It's got a little quilting pattern. Don't look at the back. You'll know the end of the story. We can't give you the end of the story. So I do love books. I really want to read this one because it's a haunting of the Quilter Square. Tomorrow, I know I haven't made it to 500 subscribers, but I know you guys are helping me out so much, and I appreciate it so much. I've almost made 125. I made 120, but I'm going to do a giveaway for Christmas tomorrow. So tomorrow, if you come back, I'll show you what I'm giving away. And then I think on January 1st, I'll announce who the winner is. So come back tomorrow on the last day, very last day of our little box. And I'm going to give something away. You gotta come back and see. So if you haven't, like and subscribe, hit my face, wherever it is. click that subscribe button, because you're going to have to be subscribed to enter to win. So make sure to come back tomorrow and see what I'm going to give away. So I'm in the Christmas spirit, because my husband, he was right. There you go, honey. You was right. I love you too. Okay, we'll see y'all. Bye-bye. Y'all have a very Merry Christmas Eve. Happy holidays. Happy Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever you do. Happy holidays to you. And we'll see you tomorrow for Christmas. All right, bye-bye.